Oh yeah, baby, it's a freaking blizzard, man. Mount Hood, Oregon, the first blizzard of the year, baby. Oh yeah. What up, YouTube? MOUNTAINOUS here, and we're in the first blizzard in government camp in the 2015-2016 snowboard season. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, it's freaking dumping, baby. There's the Mount Hood Museum, government camp. It's a freaking blizzard, baby. Oh yeah. Have you ever heard of the Sasquatch? He's a hairy beast. Whoa, yeah. He'd like to rip the flesh, I said, off of your bones. Yeah, yeah. So put down your selfie stick and take another photo of me. Oh yeah, baby, MOUNTAINOUS here, and we're in the first blizzard of the year. Government Camp, Oregon. We're doing it real big, baby. Man, it's a freaking blizzard, man. Some places up in Washington, they're getting 110 inches of snow in one day. We're out here doing it so big in government camp, you know, hollering out to my boys Wushu, Richard, and Craig Flippy. You know how we do it, baby. Hunting for Sasquatch, kids. All right, guys, we're going off trail, baby. Where is that freaking Yeti at, man? You know it's Sasquatch time. We're off trail doing it big in a blizzard. Yeah, baby. Check it out. The winter wonderland we call Mount Hood. Oh yeah, baby. A trippy journey into the Sasquatch unknown. Wow! I think I heard Sasquatch. Alright guys, MOUNTAINOUS here. I'm out in the blizzard. Just a quick channel update video. Basically snowshoes, snowboarding, and snow survival videos coming all winter long. Let's do this, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Shred time soon. Rambo, Sasquatch, winter bushcraft. Do it big, live the dream. Woo! Have you ever heard of the Sasquatch? He's a hairy beast. Whoa, yeah. He'd like to rip the flesh, I said, off of your bones. Yeah, yeah. So put down your selfie stick and take another photo of me. Have you ever heard of the Sasquatch?